Hello human bodies, welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing Channel. By looking at the title and thumbnail of the video, you already know what today's video is going to be. So without wasting any more time, let's begin the video. So buddies, I will cut out this face and swap with this bald head man's face. First press Ctrl and J to create a duplicate layer. Now select the lasso tool. Make selection on the face like this. After that, press Ctrl and J button to create a new layer from this selection. As you can see, a new layer has been created. Now go to the bald head man's tab and also create a duplicate layer. Go back to your previous tab. Select the move tool. Now drag this face to the bald head man's tab. Reduce the opacity to see both layers at same time. Press Ctrl and T button to free transform the face. Now match two faces, eyes, and lips together. Click on this icon to apply the transformation. Now set back the opacity to 100%. Press and hold Ctrl button and click on this face layer thumbnail. It will bring back the selection. Now select the layer 1. Go to select, then modify, and then contract. Set contract by 5 pixel and click OK button. Now press delete button on your keyboard. Let's see what happened by pressing delete button. As you can see, the bald head man's face has been erased from layer 1. Now press and hold the Ctrl button and select both layers. Then go to edit, and then auto blend layers. Remember this option. Not auto align layers. Click on auto blend layers. Don't change anything on this window. Click OK button. Wait a second, and it's done. Isn't it so easy? I hope you understand. Consider to subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.